So this is a very custom desk. This client had a lot of very specific requests that he wanted here. He's got a slide out tray for his printer, and there needs to be an outlet right at the back of this tray, but then that would create a problem in that if he slides this out, it's gonna unplug the cable from his printer. So we have a sponsor for that. Docking Drawer has sponsored this video, and they've supplied us with this really unique cable management system for an extending outlet. So it's on this hinged arm. Jack is going to install this into that hole, and then there's a little hole at the back of this tray where the head of our cord can slide through, and it's just going to make for some nice organized cable management for this client. So